Hey guys, welcome to yet another DIY skin treatment video. The turmeric facial mask does really work. I've applied it myself. It did work, so I'm positive it will work for you as well. You want to make sure to watch this entire video, no skips, that way you're sure you are making the turmeric facial mask the right way and you're applying it the right way as well for optimal results. Hi there, my name is Alicia and you're welcome to my skincare and beauty channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification. Also do like this video, comment and share to people of similar interest, and also do follow me on Instagram at Alicia and shop all your hair needs from my website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. Firstly, before you treat anything, it's very important to know the roots. So what actually causes dark under eyes? And the first thing is hereditary. Some people, it's just in their family, so it runs down generation from generation. The mom has dark under eyes, the grandma does, and they do have it as well. Also, skincare conditions like eczema can leave you with dark under eyes. Overexposure to the sun, if you are not wearing sunscreen to protect your skin, that will also cause a dark under eye. Another thing is rubbing or scrubbing your eyes frequently. That can also damage the skin there, and with time it becomes darker. In order to make this facial mask, you need 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt or milk, a tablespoon of raw honey, and a teaspoon of lemon. You also do need a bowl and a brush to mix and also apply the treatment onto your face. Moving on to how to apply this treatment. Guys, so once it completely dries, you feel like your face is super stiff. That's what I'm feeling right now. So I'm just gonna leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I will wash it off and yeah, see how my face looks. This is day 2 of applying the paste. I couldn't be bothered. I just wanted to use my hands to apply it like so. And then next, you wash it off with warm water and dry your face with a clean towel. Anyway, ignore that, I had a little scratch. But yeah, I'm already seeing improvements at my darker circle. It's really faded, so I'm really impressed. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and do the 3rd treatment and finish up for the whole 5 days. So let's take a chunk of the product and keep it right under our eyes from the end. Don't forget this part as well. Now let's talk about the benefits of using this treatment or under eye facial mask. And the first thing is that it does have anti-aging properties, which helps to slow down wrinkles or dryness being formed on your skin, and that way it rejuvenates the skin, makes the skin firmer, and then it does help to prevent it from looking older and makes it look more younger and more youthful. Next thing is it does have anti-inflammatory properties and antibacterial properties as well, which helps to brighten the skin and make it glow, and that way the skin looks more vibrant and the tone looks very youthful. The next thing is it does help with clearing dark areas and hyperpigmentation of the skin. Examples are dark under eye, which is the topic of discussion here, and also scars from pimples and even sunburn as well.
Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads.
Interestingly, the turmeric treatment helps with hair removal. I've personally not done this before, so I don't know how that works. But yeah, if you're watching me and you know more about this, it'd be nice to get us educated at my comment section. But yeah, if it's something that interests you, research more on it and give it a try. It's believed that it helps to aid in removing hairs from the private parts and also from the underarms. We've talked about all the good stuff about this facial mask, so let's now look at the downside to it. The first thing is that it can be quite difficult taking it off your face, so I personally make sure I do it before going to take my shower. That way when I'm in the shower I can easily take it off using soap. Also, it does create a yellowish stain on your face or on your skin tone if you don't wash it well with soap or water, and it also stains your nail as well, so you want to make sure you use gloves when you're applying it or mixing up the mask. The next thing is that in some cases it does cause breakouts for some people, and then also it has a strong smell, but it's not something that is unbearable. And finally, it's not a permanent fix for your under eyes, so you want to incorporate it into your weekly skincare routine. So once you get the results, just make sure you're doing it every now and then, about 2 to 3 times a week, to maintain the results that you have got. I do recommend that you store in a cool place, preferably in the fridge, because of the milk or yogurt ingredients you've put in there, just so it doesn't go bad. And also I do emphasize again to make sure to use this at least 2 to 3 times every week, just so you're sure you're maintaining the results that you have got from this treatment. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you have learned a thing or two, and if you have any products or DIYs you want me to try and review on, please comment down below and I will work on it. Do take care, and I'll see you in my next video.